Hello guys, in this tutorial we will discuss about Python if statement. So here we have marks equal to 95, and if marks greater than equal to 90, then print you will get a laptop, else print thanks. So here we have 95, so the value is greater than 90. So when I run code, we will get the answer, you will get a laptop. And the next example is mark equal to 80. The previous example is the marks is equal to 95, and here we have marks equal to 80. If marks greater than equal to 90, print pass, else fail. When I run code, fail because the value is less than 90. So let's go to PyCharm. Here first I will type here mark equal to 90. If marks greater than equal to 90, no, we will type here 95, and here I will type here 90. Print you will get a laptop, else we will use colon and then print thanks. When I go to run code, here we have the answer, you will get a laptop. So the next example is here I will type here 80. If marks equal to 80, if marks greater than equal to 90, print pass, else print fail. So when I go to run code, so here we have fail because the value is less than 90. So the next question is Python if else statements. Here for example num equal to int, then inside parentheses input, enter a number. What does it mean? When I run code, it will show us enter a number, then we type here 10 or whatever we want to type here, and then it will give us the result. So after if number greater than if number greater than 0 colon, then print positive number, else negative number. When I run code, enter a number. For example, if I type here 10, then positive, it gives us positive number. Let's go to PyCharm and then type here, and then if number greater than 0, and then print positive, else print negative. Negative. So when I run code, so here I will type here for example 10 or whatever you want, so it give us positive number. So if I will type here example -20, so it gives us negative number.